Yesterday, welcome back to your English class. As you know, students, yesterday we were discussing the question and answers from the story of Helen Keller. Okay, in this class, we will discuss remaining question and answers. So just check it out. Open your book at page number 84. Okay, there is another question. Question number 3. Who agreed to help Helen? Who agreed to help Helen? I'm going to write this. You also write in your copy. Question number 3. Who agreed? Who agreed to help Helen? Who agreed to help Helen? किसने मदद करने की तैयारी दिखाई? Yes, Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. And then next question is there. Question number 4. How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? How did Miss Sullivan
Morning,
help
sir.
Helen? How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Yes. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. She spelled doll and wrote the word on Helen's hand by her ringer. In this way, she taught her the sign language to learn the words. Okay, students. So this answer we will write here. Just check it out. Miss Sullivan spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand. On her hand to make Helen understand. To make Helen
Sir, side, please.
understand. Miss Sullivan spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand to make Helen understand. Miss Sullivan spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand to make Helen understand. Third question, as you can see on the board, who agreed to help Helen? Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. Fourth question, how did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Miss Sullivan spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand to make Helen understand. She spelled a lot of words on her hand to make Helen understand. मिस सुलिवन ने क्या किया, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स उसके हाथ पे लिखे. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand to make Helen understand.
सर हेलन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Nothing is there. Helen के बाद understand.
सर क्वेश्चन
Where?
4th नंबर वाला. एंड देन सर
How did Miss Sullivan help Helen?
ओके सर.
Please open your book. आप अपने बुक्स भी ओपन रखिए, वहां पे आपको क्वेश्चन दिख जाएंगे. Shall I rub this third question?
नो डन सर. नो
Third.
सर. नो डन यार.
Question number 5. What did Helen learn? Write the next question. Question number 5. What did Helen learn when?
Sir, side, please.
Yes. When the teacher put her hand into running water. Shall I rub this fourth question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done sir.
No done, sir.
What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? This is the fifth question.
Done sir. Done sir. Done sir.
Done,
Done
sir.
sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done. No done, sir. Done, sir. Done. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, shall I rub this fourth?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fifth question is so simple. What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? Yes, when the teacher put Helen's hand into running water, she learned the new word water, and she also understood the meaning of water as she found it wet. Okay? Yes, so the answer is so simple. When the teacher put her hand into running water, She learned
That water mean.
new word. Water. Yes, what happened?
सर आपने हेलन की जगह टीचर लिख दिया.
टीचर ने ही किया ना बेटा, टीचर ने ही हाथ रखा था उसका, हेलन को थोड़ी दिख रहा था. And in the question, as you can see, what did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand?
Okay, sir.
Yes. When the teacher put her hand into running water, she learned new word, water. Okay. She also understood.
सर मैंने कल ही ये क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लिए थे.
She also understood the meaning of water. As it is weight.
Side, please.
Yes. When the teacher put her hand into running water, she learned new word, water. She also understood the meaning of water as it is wet.
सर मैंने 6 वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी कर लिया.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Let's everybody completed this, okay?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
So just wait for a minute. After this, we will discuss question number 6.
सर मैंने 6 वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी कर लिया.
Who is there? Who is there?
Done, sir. Done.
Please mute your mics. I request you all. Shall I rub this?
Yes,
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
I'm just rubbing this question. Okay. Right, next question. Question number 6 from your book. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? Write this 6th question. Write 6th question from your book. As you can see, what was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? Last में या finally Helen ने क्या समझा? What was the most important thing that Helen understood? Words are most important words in this world.
Important thing
Yes.
in the world.
So write the 6th question. What was the most important thing? Question number 6 is there. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood?
Morning.
Answer is finally Helen understood that the words are the most important thing
in the world.
Finally, Helen understood that words are the most important thing in the world. She can know everything through words. She can know everything through words. Yes. So this is the answer. Finally, Helen understood that words are the most important thing in the world. She can know everything through words. उसे ये पता चला कि इस वर्ल्ड में words are the most important thing. And she can know everything through words. और उसे words के हेल्प से she can know everything. वो हर एक चीज मालूम कर सकती है, पता कर सकती है. Finally, Helen understood that words are the most important thing in the world. She can know everything through words.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Not done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. I have done.
No, sir.
Done,
Right,
sir.
next question.
Done, sir.
Right, next question. Question number, just write continue. Question number 7. After question number 6, it is 7. Okay. How do people who cannot see read? How do people who cannot see read? जो लोग देख नहीं पाते हैं, how they read, वो कैसे पढ़ते हैं? the people who cannot see
उनके हाथ पे हैंड पे लेटर बनाते हैं।
they read with the help of
वो बीच में बोल रही है।
braille script, braille script
सर साइड प्लीज।
or braille books. The
सर
people
हमारे
who
थर्ड
cannot see, they read with the help of braille script.
सर हमारे थर्ड में ईवीएस में ना ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट आई थी।
Yes, yes, Raghav. Braille script क्या होती है? Special kind
सर
of
उसमें
book
डॉट बने
which
रहते हैं।
the blind people can read, can understand all the written material. Okay, so how did people who cannot see read? The people who cannot see, they read with the help of braille script or braille books. Write as fast as you can.
डन सर।
Very good.
डन सर। डन सर।
Let's everybody completed this. Okay.
I have done sir. I have done sir.
डन सर।
डन सर। I have done sir.
Next question is, what is the script for children who cannot see called?
Done sir.
The answer is braille script. Okay. So write the next question. What is the script for children who cannot see? It's called.
Done sir.
Shall I rub this seventh question?
Yes sir. No sir. No sir.
Okay.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes. Next question is, in your book, as you can see, what is the script for the children? It is the question number 8. What is the script for the children who cannot see?
Sir side please.
Called. Just write the name here. What is the script name, or what is the name of the script for the children who cannot see? It is braille script. BRAILLE, braille script. Yes,
Done,
this is
sir.
the simple answer, braille script. Okay.
Done sir. I have done sir.
Very good.
Done sir.
डन सर। डन सर।
Done sir. Done
Right,
sir.
next question. Who
Sir मेरा
completed
हेल्प
this
उसके बाद
8th
में।
question? Write the next question, question number 9. As you can see in your book, how do you think you can help
ये लिख लिया, ये लिख लिया, लिख लिख।
How do you think?
क्या मैंने से करना?
CRI, CR, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना मुंह से, CRIPT,
आई
PT, P।
Yes. Next, ninth question is, how do you think you can help? How do you think you can help the children who cannot see? How do you think? आपको क्या लग रहा है कि आप जिन बच्चों को जो बच्चे देख नहीं पाते हैं उनकी मदद कैसे कर सकते हैं आप? Yes, I would to gift or I would give braille books to the children who cannot see. I would gift. I would gift braille books to the children who cannot see. Yes.
Done, sir.
डन सर
Done, sir. Done, sir.
डन सर
Done, sir. Done, sir.
डन सर
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Please mute your devices. Nobody will disturb in between. After this, some sign languages, some signs are shown there. As you can see on page number 85, there are some signs for the letters of the alphabet. Okay, so just check it out on page number 85, 86 and 87.
ये सारे मैंने कर लिए सर मैंने ये सारे करके देख लिए सर मैंने भी ये सारे करके देख लिए डन सर डन सर
डन सर
Okay, so just open the book at page number 85. There we have some sign for the letters, okay, of the alphabets. Just check it out and do it yourself. Okay,
प्लीज
just okay, write fastly, write as fast as you can. Don't waste time. Okay.
सर ये मैंने करके देख लिए थे
हाँ, बहुत अच्छे है ना?
सर मैंने भी
करके देख लिए सर।
सर मैंने भी करके देख लिए थे।
सर मैंने करके नहीं देखे।
सर मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी।
सर मैंने भी करके देख लिए थे कल।
Very good. Yes. So let's start from A. Just look at me. Look at me and do this activity after me. Okay? Just follow. Yes. A. A. B. C. D. After this, E. E. F. G. H. Like this. H. I. I. Okay? Yes, ring finger. I. After this, J. J. Just like this. J. K. Look at here. K. L. After this, M. How is it? M.
सर पेज नंबर क्या है?
85. Now we are on page number 86. Just check it out. बच्चों जैसे कि हम 2-3 बार पेज नंबर बताते हैं फिर भी आप ढंग से नहीं सुनते. ओके, तो लिसन केयरफुली. पेज नंबर 86 राइट नाउ. M. M कैसे शो करेंगे? M. ओके. 3 fingers on palm and 1 finger is folded. Okay. M. N. N means only 2 fingers folded and 2 fingers are open. After this, O. P. P, you can see it looks like a P. Okay. Q. Q, like this. Q. Yes. After this, R. R. Okay. After this, S. S. Yes. लिटिल फिंगर में लिटिल फिंगर क्या करनी है? क्रॉस करनी है. ओके. यस. एस. टी. यू. V. V for victory. I think you must have seen in the television, in the newspaper, most of the people showing this symbol after their victory. Okay, so it shows their victory. V. V. Okay, हम भी क्या करते हैं? फोटो खींचते हुए ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं ना? ऐसे. Yes, victory. Victory for V. After this, W. W.
अरे डब्ल्यू कैसे हुआ?
Y.
सर ये तो एक्स होता ना.
एक्स ही बोला मैंने राघव, आप क्या सुन रहे हो? मैंने एक्स ही बोला था ये. Y. And the last, Z. Okay. So shall we revise it once? Shall we do this once? Yes. Again, listen carefully and do these activities after me. First is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q. Just take it out. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and at the last Z. Z. Okay.
सर
Yes.
ए ऐसे भी तो बना.
Understood, everybody?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
just understand which word I want to tell you. कौन सा word मैं बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am going to tell you. Okay. Yes. So just look at here.
A B N
And X. Very good, very good. Now here I am going to show you a word with the help of the signs. Okay? आपको वो पहचानना है. You will find this word. Okay? आप पहचानेंगे. Yes. जल्दी नहीं बताना है ना? Just see all the signs and then tell me. Okay? Which word is this? Look at me. Look at me. First is which word is this? Which word is this? Which word is this?
J. Jug. J for jug.
ACT. 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 Okay. Now just check it out. Listen.
M.
Okay. Okay. Space. Next space. Very good. Very good. Now. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now.
ये टॉफी खा लो.
Now, just look at here. The word is little longer, okay, than the previous words. Yes.
Okay.
Look at here. You can take pencil in your hand and write there. Okay. This is the last word. This is the last activity. Just take it out.
M.
No, 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 no. H. What is this? What is this? What is this? S. Yes. And at the last, the word. Very good, very good. This is my name. This is my name. Okay, very good, excellent. Hope you all enjoyed this class. So it's bye for now. Have a good day to you all. Bye bye.
Bye.